This example I'm going to show is actually a sort of a team level. So let's say the symptom is confusion or conflict among team members. So that's a what and a where and a when. And that kind of would be that team's first position. And of course, if you looked at individual members, you would then break that into first positions and second positions between the team members. But if we say, well, what's the cause of that? The cause might be that team members have been working in silos and have no shared communication platform. So now it's not just a behavior. We're starting to look at the past and realizing, oh, there's some missing capability or lack of a particular capability that is creating this present symptom. And then if we go to the outcome, as I said, these things tend to be mirror images of each other. Well, obviously, if the confusion and conflict, what the outcome is, we want the team members. Now, again, this is the idea of the team member as a unit, right? So that's the A first position, and the second position would be other teams rather, or top management or customers. Those would be the second positions to this particular team. But obviously, they want to work together towards achieving a common goal. So that working together is behavior, a common goal is an environment. And then we might say, well, what resource? So the team members learn to recognize and value each other's unique capabilities. So now, as we start to see here, we are now adding in some other levels. They're beginning to get second position with each other. There's also we see there's kind of this looking out to an observer level on these different capabilities. We can see that we share these, or we have certain things, and then we begin to value it. That's where there's this, we see up there at the top level, there's a beliefs and values happening on first and second position. So there's now greater understanding. And then we could say the effect then is ultimately that there is a high level of connection and synergy between team members, and they actually become a team, right? They have now a shared identity. And again, this now unites this kind of first and second position. That would be a kind of an example where you could start to see how you're moving through this different levels, this workspace, and it's giving you a kind of a clarity to know what to do. Now, of course, what we'll be doing as we go further into the course, the advanced course, is showing how if we map that out, then what kinds of actions can we take? And again, as a group example, we'll be during the advanced class, we'll be working on with different focuses, individual, group, organization.